Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to propose some recommendations to address the issues at hand during our deliberations. 1, enhanced coordination. We must foster greater collaboration and coordination among regulatory authorities, coherence, reduction of redundancies, and facilitation of information sharing. Secondly, capacity building. Investing in the capacity building of the regulatory personnel is paramount. Continuous training programs, knowledge sharing initiatives, and exposure to best practices from around the globe to empower our regulatory workforce to navigate complex regulatory landscapes with confidence and competence. Third, regulatory reform.